Mother's Day sale now and get an Ashley sofa and love seat set or a 4-piece bedroom. Your choice, just $21.99 a week. Pay a little at a time this Mother's Day. Only at Rent-A-Center. Yeah, you can do that.
Keep on, do it, dumb boy.
There are no medals won for earning a living. It's just what you do for family. But it's hard to build a future if you can't see past today. That's why Walmart is investing in the most important part of our company, our people, because a raise in pay raises us all.